everybody, I'm back. Sorry for the wider angle of my background. I've rearranged my room and I'm trying to figure out kind of a new, like how I'm going to film in here now. I want to set it up so I can have like a backdrop somewhere and set my camera and maybe be over there, but the lighting would only be on half of my face and I just don't want to, I don't know, it just doesn't look as good. So I'm going to keep filming like this for now. Maybe I'll invest in a ring light or something soon so it'll be filmed properly. But anyway, please ignore the background. I'm pretty sure you can see more than normal. I have no idea what exactly you're seeing. That's not much more than normal. But anyway, hi everybody. I have an exciting video today. I recently bought some stuff from Souffle Song and it all just came in. I recommend using DHL if you're gonna buy from Souffle Song. I know it's like an additional, I think like $10 or $15, but it's totally worth it. It'll come a lot faster and it's a lot more secure than using airmail, so highly recommend using DHL. But I ordered two new things and I'm very excited to show you guys, so let's get started. I'll put the details, I'll link to this item down below, and I'll also just quickly put like the name of it right here. Sorry, I'm used to you being able to see further. I'm gonna put it around here somewhere and then I'll put a link to it in the description below. But I desperately needed to get a longer petticoat for my longer dresses since I'm starting to get a couple longer dresses that kind of need the longer petticoat. And this also kind of doubles as an underskirt, which is really nice because I also kind of need an underskirt. But yeah, let's open this up so I can show you. On a side note, this stuff came weirdly fast. It took like 2 weeks for them to make it, and then it came in like 3 days. Normally Souffle Song stuff takes the full month that they say it's going to take, so I don't know why this came so fast, but I'm not going to complain. So that was kind of cool, but normally it takes longer than that. I just got really lucky this time, I guess. I wasn't expecting to get it for another like 2 weeks at least, so that's cool. This isn't actually as long as I was hoping it was going to be. That's kind of disappointing. I thought it was going to be a lot longer than my other petticoat, and it's kind of not, which is kind of disappointing because I needed a really long petticoat. I mean, I guess I'll try it on with one of my longer dresses and see how it looks, but I might have to purchase yet another longer petticoat. But this is kind of cute because I could actually wear this as a skirt on its own if I wanted to. There's a ton of tulle underneath for the petticoat, and it looks like it's lined as well. Here's the tag, Souffle Song. And then it has this top layer, which is really cute because you can actually, on each of these bows, there's these strings that you can pull. So you can make it kind of like a bustled skirt, like that. And then there's a cute layer underneath and some more ruffles and stuff. So you can wear this as an actual skirt, which is kind of cute. So I mean, even if it's not a long enough petticoat for my longer dresses, like the new Atelier Periot or whatever dress that I just got, you know, at least it's really cute. It's a cute skirt and I don't have to wear a petticoat with it. So we'll see how this is. The material feels really nice. Obviously the tulle does not feel very nice, but the material's really nice. It's lined on the inside so you won't feel that scratchy tulle. And it's actually a really nice just plain skirt, even if I was going to wear it as just a skirt. And the little golden bows are really cute, but it's actually really nice. And it has a huge waistband, so it'll fit a lot of sizes. And I think it comes in, no, it just comes in one size, but this will fit a lot. You don't have to worry about that. But it's really cute. You'll see in a bit just how long it goes, and we'll see if I can wear it with my longer dresses. And the next item I am terribly excited about because it is a JSK fucking owls on it. I was looking through Souffle Song and I was for sure gonna get that petticoat because I've wanted to get it for a while. And I was like, you know, I should get something else kind of cheap just because, you know, why not? I'm already buying stuff from here. And I saw this, I think it was like $42, and it's this adorable black JSK with all these cute freaking birds, including owls on it that have little crowns, and it's absolutely adorable, and it's actually really soft and really nice. But like, how could I say no to a dress that has owls on it. I can't say no to a dress that has freaking owls on it, like all over it. So I'm very excited about this. It has partial shearing in the back, which extends a lot. Here is the, oh, it's from a brand. It's not actually a Souffle song brand. It is a brand called Dawn Rose. That's kind of cute. It looks like it's just a pullover dress. Oh, there's supposed to be, is there supposed to be a waist tie? It has like these loops on it. Or maybe you can just put a belt through it. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I'll have to look that up if it's like missing something or not. It's a fairly thin dress. It does have a lining underneath though, with some cute ruffles on the bottom. No pockets, which is expected for like a $40 dress. But this is absolutely adorable and I cannot wait to wear this. It feels like it's going to be just as comfortable as like the Lady Sloth dress. But I'm just really excited because there's parrots, there's owls. It's literally everything I could have asked for in a dress and I'm very, very excited about it. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. One of the items didn't come out quite as what I was, you know, expecting, but that's okay. It happens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below if you want to see more. This is the last thing I have bought, so I shouldn't be doing any more reviews for a while. So I'll be going back to more of the regular videos, not the unboxing review kind of videos. But yeah, have a great day and I'll see you guys later.